Hey guys, so when are we meeting to work on the project?
I think we can meet on the 15th. 3 days should be enough to settle, right?
What are you talking about?
Huh?
What are you talking about?
Why?
It's due on the 13th, bro. What? User commands received via the UR are placed in the message queue that is read by the brain thread. The brain thread then signals the other threads to take the appropriate action. Movement commands are forwarded through a message queue to the motor thread, which makes the appropriate movements and signals to the LED thread to indicate the status of movement. The brain thread also signals the event LED thread to indicate a connection event. And the event LED and the regular LED threads use a mutex to arbitrate the control of the LEDs. A similar method is used to control the audio.
It's less than 24 hours before we have to compete, and our Bluetooth module decided to stop working, so we had to go to SimLim to buy more Bluetooth modules so it can finally work. Okay, now we just need to fit on the wheels onto the motors. Can you get in? Get in! No,
Are you okay now there?
Huh?
Hey,
Oh, hey!
Oh no!
No! Disassemble again! Chijun, what did you do? Why didn't you just connect it directly to this, this minus rail over here? Come on, tell us!
Alright, so that's just connected though. Oh, what the heck? Ayo! What?
Using lead-free soda.
Solder, free solder. Hey, careful! Careful, hey, turn left, man!
I'm turning left.
Hey, wait, what are you doing?
Yeah. Oh!
That actually fits.